Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. This right here is breaking news regarding XRP, a very exciting update if you are a holder of XRP. You're looking across the market, you are seeing a little bit of retracement across the board due to the fact that Bitcoin once again did see a little bit of retracement. And again, if you do follow my channel on a day-to-day basis, that's something that I covered on the channel. But anyhow, that's not what we're here for. We're here for XRP, some breaking news. You can clearly see right now it's up 25% and counting over the past 24 hours. To be specific, just a few hours since this announcement came out, XRP is flying. We're currently sitting above 60 cents right now, while there is still a lot of uncertainty across the board. So let's take a look what's happening. Before I do get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, 63 cents, up 25% in both Bitcoin and USD comparative right now, guys. And this is something that I've been telling you guys from the beginning, how fast XRP tends to move, and you can see this for yourself. Market valuation 34.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is through the roof at almost $4 billion. But let's take a look at what really happened. This right here is a kaboom moment. As you guys know on my channel, I tend to say that, and you could see breaking: Judge Torres has issued her ruling on the SEC's motion of remedies. So XRP is to pay, so Ripple pretty much is to pay $125 million in fines to the SEC. Originally, remember, if you been following this case from the beginning, SEC asked for $2 billion, if I were to remember properly, but they're only getting $125 million in terms of fines. And I think this just changes the entire outlook on XRP, and I think this is what a lot of people were waiting for. And as you know, on my channel on a day-to-day basis, I've been talking about one specific thing, that XRP is showing significant amount of strength against the entire market. And if you do follow my channel, you know about that. And I think insiders knew that this was going to happen, or something along the lines, and they were picking up XRP because, let's face it, XRP did not retest July 5th lows, and that tells you everything in terms of the momentum as far as that is concerned. But this is huge, guys. I don't think people can come out and call XRP a security anymore, especially now that you are seeing the entire outlook of the ETFs. Ethereum is also having its ETF on Wall Street. So I think this changes the entire game. This is some long anticipated, highly anticipated news a lot of people were waiting for, and it has arrived, and the price is reacting to it in a very positive way, despite the market uncertainty still quite high. Let's take a closer look in terms of its price, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. So looking at Bitcoin dominance index, Bitcoin dominance index actually made its way up to a new yearly high. Literally spoke to you guys about that yesterday. A lot of altcoins are going to lag, and again, the reason why you did see the Bitcoin dominance index go up to a new yearly high is because of the fact that we did see Bitcoin retest once again around that $55,000. We actually did go out down to 54,800 this morning, but it's making its way back above 55K. And if you've been following my channel, I've been clearly stating that I still don't buy this move. I still think there's more downside, and I'm going to stick with that. I'm going to stick with my personal thoughts. I still do believe we do have a little bit more downside for Bitcoin before we start heading towards the upside, even though Bitcoin did make it up to the 23.6 resistance but got rejected. Again, we spoke about this, and this rejection itself is bringing the price of Bitcoin towards the lower side. And Goldman Sachs representative also said that this stock market cool off is not over. So I think the Bitcoin correlation is going to play out in terms of that as well. But again, we're going to take it one step at a time. Right now, it doesn't matter about Bitcoin because XRP does not seem to care. XRP is absolutely flying right now. Let's give it a refresh live to take a look at what's happening. So this is not what we need. We need Kraken. Where is it? There it is. You're looking at XRP sitting at 64 cents right now, guys. Look at this green candle. this is something that you can't make it up. You just can't make it up. If you picked it up on August the 8th at 43 cents, you are up right now 48% on XRP in just the last, I would say, 2.5 days. So let me know in the comments down below right now if you ended up picking XRP at that price point. And pretty much XRP is retesting its July highs. And honestly, if this key resistance, we still have a lot of time till the daily candle comes to an end and the daily candle closes, but pretty much finding itself back to where it was in July prior to this massive drop, and you're looking at the prices going back to that level. And as I've said, significant amount of resistance coming in its way right now. But if this resistance, especially around the 65.4 cents, is able to break out, I would not be surprised due to this massive news as it spreads more and more across the space right now. It is quite fresh, but as more and more people start finding out about this, I would not be surprised if we start entering back into the the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is another additional move of 11%. But do not be surprised. Look what happened last July. We went all the way up to 94 cents in a snap of a finger. A lot of people have their eyes on XRP, and this speaks for itself. So right now it's looking more likely that you do see the price of XRP re-entering into the 78.6, and potentially, obviously, the main target that you want to see XRP do is retest a new yearly high. And if it does that, that would be just a game changer. A lot of eyes, a lot of people will start paying attention to XRP. Let's face it, XRP did not have a all-time high. Last all-time high dates back to, let's actually go on the weekly time frame so I can really give you guys a closer look. Last all-time high was back in December, and even despite so much uncertainty last cycle, you still saw XRP retesting $2. And this time around, you're seeing so much good stuff happening. A lot of central banks partnering with Ripple. The tokenization portion of it, on the XRP ledger, it's just a game changer. And again, the speculation only increases. And now that the lawsuit is coming to an end, this is going to be a huge catalyst for XRP and a lot of new people that were still on the sidelines to re-look at XRP. Because let's face it, XRP hasn't even done anything in a grand scheme of things. It needs to obviously start retesting the dollar price point, the psychological levels, pretty much the 61.8, which we haven't seen since November 2021. Let that sink in. The overall bigger picture for XRP is starting to look really bullish, and I do believe we have good times ahead of us right now. The fact that it's already so close to its yearly high, and we're talking about XRP, we're not talking about another project, we're talking about XRP right now, and this just tells you that XRP does want to break towards some levels we haven't seen for years and years. So the true winners, in my opinion, are the true XRP holders. Congrats to you guys, especially the ones that were picking up XRP below this key support. Obviously now, give yourself a pat on the back. I love each and every one of you guys. As you guys know, XRP is not a project that I currently hold, because of course I do have other projects that I hold, but I bring this analysis due to my viewers enjoying, and obviously a lot of my viewers do hold XRP. But I have nothing bad to say about XRP. I've been saying that from the beginning. XRP is one of the projects that I have very close to my heart, because this was one of the coins, first ever coins in 2016 that I got into. If not, it was the first. Obviously Bitcoin was the first one, then I converted it into XRP on Bitfinex, to be specific, back in the good old days. And it made me massive profits, and I have nothing but love for the XRP community, and they deserve it. Let's obviously take it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.